Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today we are going to talk about a waterproofing chemical used in construction and renovation. Its name is Dr. Fixit Dampguard Classic, which is a damp-proof coating for internal walls and RCC water tank, which means it is used to treat the dampness in internal walls and even in RCC water tanks. So at first, we will see its description. Dr. Fixit Dampguard Classic is a two-component coating composed of epoxy resin, curing agents and inert pigments. Which means this chemical is available in two different components. One is epoxy resin, which provides us with a waterproof coating on walls or on the RCC water tank. And the other is its hardener, which is a substance used for drying and hardening of our waterproof coating. Then even inert pigments and filler materials are used in Dr. Fixit Dampguard Classic chemical, which are used to fill the cracks and unevenness and which does not chemically react with paint or any other substance on the wall. It has an advantage of dilution with water for application over cementitious surface. That is, this chemical mixes easily with water in order to apply on plaster and or any cementitious surface. It has excellent water resistance, adhesion to concrete surface, good hardness and sets faster. Once the coating is applied, it does not allow water or moisture which causes dampness to pass through it. This also makes a solid bond with cement concrete. Then the solution is very tough and it even gets dry quickly. Then we will see where can it be applied. At which places can we apply this? Damp proofing treatment of RCC water tanks. If dampness or water leakage is observed on walls of RCC water tank, then there we can apply this chemical. Then internal damp wall treatment. Similar to RCC, if internal masonry wall is having dampness or water leakage, then here too we can apply this solution. As putty with OPC, white cement to fill the fine cracks of internal walls. If cracks are observed in internal walls, then we can mix this solution with ordinary Portland cement or white cement and seal these cracks. In sterile areas of pharma, food industries, etc., which means this is the best solution to make the treatment in the areas where hygiene and cleanliness is the top priority, like pharma, food industries, etc. This is because this chemical is having antifungal and antimicrobial properties. Now we will see the procedure to apply Dr. Fixit Dampguard Classic chemical if dampness is observed in the internal walls. Method of application for damp proofing of internal walls. There are basically three different stages of application for damp proofing of internal walls: surface preparation, mixing and application. So this is our first step, surface preparation. Remove the existing paint and coating till you reach the plaster. Clean the surfaces thoroughly. Thorough wire brushing is recommended. So here we need to remove the entire coating of putty and color over the plaster where the dampness is observed. And if the plaster has gone weak, like if it has started to crack, then we even need to replaster at first and then follow the procedure. But here it is seen that there is no need to remove the plaster as it is strong enough and dampness has not affected it. So we are removing all the coatings above the plaster. Then after removing the putty and color, we need to clean the surface which is to be treated and then apply a wire brush on it like this. After the surface preparation, our next step is mixing of the chemical. That is, now we have to mix our chemicals. Stir the base and hardener thoroughly in their individual packs to achieve the uniform consistency. Pour the base part in appropriate container followed by the hardener part and mix them thoroughly to a homogeneous smooth paste. Dilute the mixed compound with water in ratio of 1 part base, 1 part hardener and 1 part water. By slow addition and mix it thoroughly to get a brushable consistency. So at first, both of these containers in which one has the base and the other has hardener are to be mixed uniformly and homogeneously in a different container. Then after, slowly and gradually we need to add water such that it contains 1 part of base, 1 part of hardener and 1 part of water. Then again this mixture is to be mixed homogeneously till we get a uniform paste which can be painted on the surface. After mixing, our next step is application. Apply 2 brush coats of mixed Dr. Fixit Dampguard Classic at an interval of 6 to 8 hours. Allow it to dry for minimum 24 hours before proceeding for painting. We need to apply first coat by the quantity such that 1 kg solution can cover 6 to 8 meter square area. Then we have to let it dry for 6 to 8 hours, and again we have to apply for the second coat. Ultimately, we'll have to let it dry for 24 hours, after which we can again apply the putty. Then we'll talk about the precautions and limitations. Do not apply directly on POP or paint. Removal up to plaster level is necessary. Do not dilute with water more than recommendation. Do not apply below 10 degrees Celsius. In case the putty becomes stiff, add a little water to attain right consistency. We need to have thickness for one coat at least 75 microns, and it will give us coverage of about 6 to 8 meter square area per 1 kg solution. We need to have 2 such coats as discussed earlier. Then about the life of this product. Shelf life is 12 months from the date of manufacturing if stored in original and unopened packaging in a cool dry place away from the direct sunlight. And at last we will see the health and safety precautions for using this product. Skin contact. Wash skin with soap and water. Remove contaminated clothes. On eye contact. Immediately splash eyes with plenty of water. Consult physician if irritation persists. So friends, this is all for today. If this video was useful for you, please click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.